Hi guys, it's raining and I just wanted to tell you this is what you call Mother Nature. And subscribe, don't litter, don't kill flowers or other creatures, or don't even waste anything, okay? Like anything. So today, we are going, and my friend is like live right here, and you see the pouring rain over there. Look, all that. You see it's actually raining. Look, you could see it. Wait, look, it's raining. You see that pouring rain? I know, isn't it? Like obvious. It's so obvious. And there's my friend. Like, he's right like there. What's he hiding? Sorry, I don't know. But he is there. Actually, we're just here on the couch. Look, if I could.